showing you how to create this 3D spider inspired look. It was a bit of a challenge creating it. It wasn't as easy as I had anticipated, but I managed to pull it off anyway. And I certainly hope that you guys will enjoy watching this makeup tutorial. And I must add that I did not use any face paint. I basically just used gel, black gel liner, and it's all makeup. And if there's any products that I didn't show on screen, I'll certainly make sure that I include it in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Hi guys, so let's start. I'm beginning by applying a concealer all over my eyelid just to make sure that my colors pop a bit more. That's why I'm using a brighter concealer. And then just using the dabbing motion, I'm making sure that I set in that concealer, basically just to make sure it all looks smooth. Then I'm going in with the Jaclyn Heel eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with like a soft brown shade, and I'm applying it all over my eyelid. Then I'll be going in with the Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the color called Fast Lane, and that's like a black eyeshadow color. Then I realized that it wasn't gonna look as dramatic as I wanted to, so I decided to first apply the gel, black gel, and then set it with the black eyeshadow. Then since I was still using the gel liner, I just decided to go ahead and just line my waterline. And then this is where I'm going in with the Fast Lane eyeshadow from Jeffree Star, just to kind of like set that gel. Just making sure that I pack it all in very well, and basically here I'm going in again and blending in all those colors together. And then here I'm just highlighting the inner tear dots of my eye with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going with that goldy color. I'm also using the same shade to highlight my brow bone. Then going with my foundation, and this is again M.A.C 45. I didn't want such a dramatic makeup look, especially on the rest of my face, because I wanted the main focus to be on the creature itself. So I wanted to look as natural as possible, and here I'm just kind of like trying to set my lighting a bit more, going back and blending in everything with my beauty blender. Don't forget your forehead as well as your neck. Then using the translucent powder from L.A Girl, I'm just making sure that I set everything in. And this is where I'm starting to draw in the first two spider legs. And guys, I must say this look was not as easy as I had thought or had hoped. It was quite a bit of a wow challenge. I was just trying to figure out a way to place the next leg. You see there, I had just messed up a bit, but I was like, oh well, I can fix it later. And it's okay if you mess up, guys. You can always go back with a concealer and clean it up later if it's not such a big mess. If not, you can just go in with your ear pin or ear dab thingy. What is it called? I forgot, but you know that thing that you clean your ears with? A clean one. Just dab it into water and then clean it off. Oh guys, this part was challenging for me. I had completely forgotten which direction I wanted the leg to go, but that's why I decided to go now and use my white liner and kind of like just create the outline for it. That's what I should have done in the beginning. Otherwise I wouldn't have spent so much time struggling to create this leg. So it took me a good few minutes for me to actually be able to figure this thing out. That's why it's actually good, guys. You just get yourself a white liner and just outline it first before applying the black, because with a white liner you can always wipe it off even with your fingers and you're good, but with the black it's a bit of a mess. Now that's done. Oh, gotta fix it up a bit. Realized that I had made a mistake again. It didn't turn out the way that I wanted to, so going back in and okay, now that's done. I'm just going back with my black liner and I'm basically just filling in that white. Finally, I'm just finalizing the last two spider legs. And actually, you guys, this is a liquid liner, not gel. I forgot to mention that it's a liquid liner. The gel, I only used it on my eyelid, but I think you can pull it off either way. But yeah, just wanted to extend that leg a bit more and thicken it a bit more. And don't mind the white strokes on the last two legs. I'll clean that up later. And I'm just filling in my brow again because I had messed it up a bit, and then I'm going in with my concealer and I'm just cleaning up basically. Just making sure that it looks as neat as possible. And the great thing about this liquid liner is that if you make a mistake, just wait for it to dry and you peel it right off. And here I'm going in the dark eyeshadow, black basically, but I'm going in very, very lightly to kind of like create those shadows. This is where now the 3D effect or illusion comes in when you create those shadows. But you have to use it very, very lightly. And finally that part is done. Now I'm going in with the white concealer, just basically just highlighting where the joints of the spiders meet. And you can use a white paint or something if you do have, but I just wanted to use makeup all the way. Now that's done, I'm just putting on my lashes. I couldn't decide whether I wanted to put lashes for this look, but oh well, knowing me, lashes is a must. A look is never complete without lashes, really. And that was done, just highlighting my nose. And now I'm applying black lipstick, and that's basically it, guys.